what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.
We just got here to Jack's. We're gonna have breakfast. What are you having, baby, huh? For breakfast. Some more? Yeah, juice too. They gave Dominic a little cup with water, and then he also has his juice. Do you know what you're having, baby? Yeah, pancake? An egg? Is that what you want? What's that, huh? I got myself a mimosa. Cheers, honey. Look, say hi to your daddy. Look, Dominic.
Right. Did you charge the battery or just went black?
Let me see. Did it die? Did it say anything or no? You want something? Do not like zoom in all up in my face. I already know you. What are you doing? Dominic. Look, you want some of your water? Well, it's like, what the heck? It doesn't have any flavor.
Papada on fleek.
Oh, baby, your daddy had it super zoomed in, huh? You look cute, but not mommy. You look cute, but not mommy. How about this? Tell them good morning. Who's that? Who's that boy? Tell them subscribe to our channel. Tell them. Subscribe. We just got our breakfast. So I got the hangover. It has like chili beans, egg, and like pico de gallo, toast. This is Dominic's breakfast. That's a huge pancake. Egg and sausage, and that's my husband. He got the Mighty Moose. Just got out of having breakfast and I went to the bathroom, so my husband brought Dominic over here to the little waterfall they have. Say bye. Say bye, baby. It's okay. You'll be back.
You got a face full of ketchup.
Aww. Brought Dominic to the park. Oh, baby. The one that's right by our house, right in front of our house.
Dominic's park.
That's Dominic's park. Go, baby, go. Yeah, so we live right in there. And it's just right in front of our house, which is nice. There's nobody here. That's awesome. Well, there's like 2 people here. Go run, baby. Go run. Just loves to run. Hey, babies. Are you having fun? Whoops. Woo, fun. Where's Daddy? He's over there. Go get on the slide. Tell him. You want to get on the slide? Get on the slide, baby. Right here. On this one. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, yay, yay. Get on, baby. Get on. Go up. There he is. Just loves to run. Doesn't even want to get on the slides. Just running all over the place. Whee! You don't like it?
Slide.
Why do you not slide?
Yeah.
Whee! Look at the wow wow, baby.
Wow.
Look, the wow wow. Where is it? Run, run, baby, run. Dominic. Come here. Come here, baby.
La pongo. Sí, el caco. Sí, a ver, por arriba. ¡Bravo!
Yay! Yay! Oh!
Ahora ponlas tú solito.
Your turn.
No, tienes que ponerlas bien altas hasta arriba.
Hey guys, so I am getting out of the car right now, or I'm gonna get out of my car. I actually came to Dollar Tree to get some stuff for today because we're gonna be throwing my dad a little kind of like birthday celebration at my brother's. And I'm just gonna get some plates from here, and then I'm gonna probably get some spoons because we're actually taking the cake. So that's what I'm gonna get from here. And after this, I'm gonna go to Baskin Robbins to get the cake. And then I'm gonna go home, pick up my son, and then go to my brother's house. So yeah, that is the plan. Out of Dollar Tree. And this is what I got. I just got the candles, or some candles, to sing happy birthday. And I got these small plates for the cake, and then the larger plates just in case nobody takes any. I got the bigger ones, and some forks and spoons just in case. And I got my son some puffs. I know he will like these. So now I'm gonna go to Baskin Robbins to go ahead and get the cake. So let's go. So I didn't even pretty much vlog after we got home from the park, because after we got home from the park, honestly, we didn't really do nothing. We actually all pretty much fell asleep. We were pretty tired, and then my son, you know, was pretty tired. I knew he needed a nap. He only slept for maybe like an hour and a half, so at least he got some kind of sleep. And then actually my husband and I ended up falling asleep too. But yeah, we've just been home. I've actually been trying to finish the laundry for the week and everything. I'm pretty much done. I already did my husband's uniforms, and then all of like the color clothes and stuff, and then the whites are in the washer, so I just need to dry those, and then laundry will be done. And yeah, then I just got ready, and then my son is pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna probably just get him and then we'll come over to my brother's house. And yeah, it's just gonna be a small little thing for my dad, just to sing him happy birthday. And yeah, so I'm pretty much almost here to Baskin Robbins, guys. I will see you guys right now in a bit. So they have these cakes right here. And I think I'm gonna get that one right there. It's a mint chocolate chip, but it's on a chocolate cake. I'm not sure about that one. I want it on just regular white, but I don't think they have it. Alright guys, so I just got the cake. They didn't have too many options in there, but I guess I just picked whatever they had. Let me just show you guys which one I got. So I got this one, and then I just had them put happy birthday dad on it, and it's a chocolate cake with chocolate chip ice cream. So yeah, that's what the one I got. But yeah guys, let me go ahead and go home because I don't want this cake to melt. Alright guys, so I just got home and I just got my son. So he's in the back now. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Are you ready to go? You're gonna play with Diego? Yeah? He's in a bad mood right now, but yeah, we're gonna get going guys. So we will see you guys at my brother's. So we're here at my brother's now, and these guys are just playing with the balls, running everywhere. Dominic, come here. Hey, Dominic. Look, baby. Throw the ball. Throw the ball, baby. Throw it. Diego.
Aquí hay también costillas, traje.
Diego. Dominic, come here. Kick it, kick it. Goal.
Okay. A ver.
Y así no se pase aquí.
¿Aquí? ¿Así? Ya, por aquí.
Hey, go. Go. Come on, Dominic.
A ver, bien, bien. Gol. Gol.
Get it, Dominic.
Gol. Gol, Dominic.
Over here.
No, arriba se me olvidó.
Here's my plate. Hey, why are you crying?
Ponle al lista.
Here's the birthday boy. You got high, pa? You got high? Hágale así, pues. Hi, así, con la mano. Hi. ¿Cuántos años cumple? 20. ¿20?
pastel?
Uh-oh,
Ay.
uh-oh. Aw.
Hey, this thing doesn't work. Piece of
She
junk.
probably doesn't know.
Yeah,
But
it's
it's aquí enfrente. Ay, don't burn my hair.
a piece of
Don't
junk.
burn my hair.
A ver. A
Yeah.
ver. Picture, huh? A ver, véngase pa.
Ahí.
Ok, aquí, ahí.
Enfrente del
Ok, pues,
pastel.
véngase más, véngase.
Ya, allí enfrente del pastel.
A ver, véngase. Ya, véngase más. Ok, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Bravo.
Yay.
Sí, un deseo.
Muchos si quieren.
Que se gane la lotería.
Yeah. Woo.
A
Yay.
ver, una foto. Foto. A ver, mamá, véngase.
Párese,
Véngase.
ma.
No, que lo tomen una foto.
Ándale, una foto. A ver, véngase.
Ahí está.